perfectly organized suitcase, and not to forget the essentials for traveling when packing so many different things. Vasco Packing Cubes and Bags. 7 unique bags with the highest number of valuable features that will make your trip incredibly easy. Different size packing cubes with the unique compression zippers help reduce space in the luggage by 60%. Your shoes can travel neatly separated from clothes and other things. Special material absorbs odors. Vasco Cosmetics Bag compactly encloses personal care products for traveling, and it is easy to place the bag even in the smallest bathroom. Electronics Bag is a great solution for the problem of multiple tangled cables, chargers and other accessories. The cables are neatly stacked, will never get tangled or damaged. With the travel wallet, you won't need to search for your ticket, passport or the boarding pass anymore. Vasco keeps things organized and make your travel convenient.
Busy city, busy life. Always on the go and everywhere is home. Now, take that safe feeling of home with you everywhere you go. From the makers of the successful Bobby Anti-Theft Backpack comes the Bobby Compact, the urban backpack that's impossible to pickpocket. Underneath the lightweight and fluid design that comes in 5 vibrant colors, hides a tough and rugged friend for on the road. Hidden zippers make it impossible for people to open the bag without you noticing. The enforced cut-proof material prevents your bag from being sliced open, and the concealed pockets provide secure access to your phone, wallet, and cards. The Bobby Compact has all the features you expect from a modern backpack. Reflective strips for visibility at night, a USB port for externally charging your phone, and an integrated rain cover. The fun Mini Bobby holds a tote bag for daily groceries, but is also a handy pouch for small items or loose change. The solid luggage strap makes it easy to fit your backpack on top of a rolling case. The Bobby Compact is designed to be safe, efficient, and lightweight. The slick and elegant design follows your body for a comfortable fit, relieving the pressure off your shoulders. We minimize the outer dimensions without losing any space inside, where you can fit a 14-inch laptop and all the gear you need during your day. The Bobby Compact Anti-Theft Backpack keeps you safe, organized,
decided to create the most functional duffel bag ever. So we spent over a year creating and perfecting the design, seeking solutions where every other duffel bag are lacking. We are now ready to show you our creation. With a ton of features not normally found in a duffel bag, we have a lot to tell you. Here goes. Most people bring their laptop or iPad when they go on a trip, and we do too. So instead of having to carry an extra bag, we wanted the duffel to be able to hold up to a 15-inch laptop in a protected and padded compartment. You can easily reach your laptop or tablet from the protected sleeve. On the other side, we created a full-sided utility area. This is great for the things you normally just throw in your bag. The pockets are great for a charger, ear pods, a cable, money, or sunglasses. With normal bags, you have to dig in your bag to find what you need. We made it simple to reach everything. Even when on the go. Behind the pockets, there is a sleeve, which is great for storing a notebook or an iPad. The duffel features a dedicated shoe pocket, so your gym shoes don't have to mix with your clothes. The duffel has a super soft and luxurious interior lining and 6 internal mesh pockets to keep things like your socks or ties organized. You also want an external pocket for your phone, glasses, or keys. This duffel features a waterproof pocket on the outside, easy to reach. And we use the same soft inner lining to protect your valuables. The shoulder straps are softly padded, but if you don't want to carry, you don't always have to. The bag has a beautiful shape that stays in form no matter if it's full or empty. The durable material makes it water repellent and the zippers are waterproof. Whether you are going on a weekend trip, jumping on a plane, or headed to the gym, we are confident that this bag will make your life easier. Thank you so much for your support.